They come every year whether you want them or not. Birthdays, that is. And wouldn't it be nice to make handmade birthday cards for all your friends and family? I'm Janet Casto, your independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today I'm going to show you some birthday card designs that are fun and easy to make. Here's the first one that I just finished. I've taken a regular size card, 5.5 times 4.25, and I've done a border with old olive, stamped my design on white, and tied it with a nice ribbon. This card is good for men and women, and you could have a lot of fun with this one. I got this one for my birthday this year. Here's a few more birthday cards that I want to share with you. This one says, "My dear, kind, and wonderful friend." You don't always have to use the traditional saying happy birthday. They've used some designer series paper down the side and added some beads for dimension. A cute, cute birthday card. You'll like this one. This one's an action birthday card. It says Bon Appetit at the top, and you pull it up, and it says happy birthday. I love that one. You want to think about the person that you're making the birthday card for. Are they a real flowery person? Are they into a sport? What kind of things do they like? And kind of design your card around that. Here's one that was made by me, and it says, "You're absolutely fabulous." So we know that's for me. And there's a bunch of flowers there, and you open it up, and it says, "Happy birthday." So what a cute little card, and it looks like a flower pot. I really like that one. These are all cards that I got this year because, of course, my birthday was just last month. Here's a more traditional birthday card with a birthday candle, make a wish, tied with a ribbon. Cute and easy. Anybody can make these cards. I love birthday cards. They're a lot of fun to make and even more fun to give. I'm Janet Casto, your independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! I'd love to help you make some birthday cards. They're a lot of fun, and I know you'll enjoy making them as much as the people who receive them will enjoy getting them.